Apple has always been at the forefront of innovation, but let's admit it, some changes seem more like catching up than setting trends. Take the iPhone 16, for example. Its display is sharp and vibrant, yet the refresh rate remains at a modest 60 Hz. In 2024, for a flagship phone, that feels like a missed opportunity. Thankfully, whispers from insiders suggest Apple is finally ready to step up its game with the iPhone 17. Reports from Apple's supply chain hint at a major upgrade for the base model iPhone 17. According to a Chinese source, the upcoming series is most likely to feature displays with higher refresh rates. The report humorously likens Apple's strategy to squeezing the toothpaste, a popular phrase in China used to describe companies making the smallest possible improvements to keep their products relevant. And honestly, the iPhone 16 fits that description to a T, introducing features like a camera control button that no one was clamoring for, while skipping over obvious upgrades like a smoother display. This change, if true, is monumental for Apple's base models. Moving from 60 Hz to 90 Hz may not sound groundbreaking, but it significantly enhances user experience. It transforms daily interactions from scrolling through social media to gaming into something seamless and premium. It's the kind of refinement that has long been expected and will undoubtedly draw attention, especially from users who have been holding off on upgrading. Interestingly, this isn't the only big shift in Apple's lineup. The Plus models, which have struggled to capture consumer interest, are rumored to be on their way out. In their place, Apple is said to be introducing a new model called the iPhone 17 Air. This phone is expected to focus on an ultra-slim design, appealing to those who prioritize style over raw specifications. However, it might also come with lower specs than the Plus models, while carrying a steeper price tag. It's a bold move that banks on Apple's reputation for blending technology with aesthetics. If these leaks are accurate, the iPhone 17 could be a defining moment for Apple's product line. A higher refresh rate on the base model would finally put it on par with competitors and give users a reason to upgrade. It's the kind of enhancement that could make the iPhone 17 one of the must-have devices of 2025. Sure, some will say Apple is just playing catch-up, like they did with the long-awaited USB-C port, but at least they're catching up where it counts. The introduction of the iPhone 17 Air adds another intriguing layer to this story. By targeting a niche market focused on design and elegance, Apple seems willing to take risks with its lineup. While some might question whether a design-first approach with less impressive specs can justify a higher price, Apple's track record suggests they know their audience well. For all the talk about Apple's slow pace in rolling out innovations, these changes signal a shift. The iPhone 17, with its higher refresh rate and sleek new Air model, might finally strike the right balance between user demand and the company's premium identity. Whether you're a loyal fan or just curious about what's next, the iPhone 17 could be Apple's way of proving it still has a few tricks up its sleeve. So while the toothpaste analogy might still apply, Apple appears to be squeezing out something worthwhile this time. Get ready, 2025 might just be the year the iPhone truly redefines the standard. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with a 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, Herna offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans, or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery-smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12 GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16 GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8 GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5,000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, This device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.